Hey guys, welcome to Red 50. Thank you for tuning into another video. If you're new to the channel, thank you for stopping by. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future video. So in today's video, we are going to be reviewing the Invisible Glass Cleaner by Stoner brand. So we're going to be using the Invisible Glass Cleaner like I said, and we're going to be going from this to that. Oftentimes when we think about washing our cars and detailing our cars, we're concerned with the exterior paint and making sure it's as glossy as it can be. What's the most overlooked part of detailing or washing a car? It ends up being the glass, the windshield glass, the glass on the side. So I'm going to be showcasing you what I personally use in my 2019 Mustang GT to clean up the glass and the windshield. And this is the product that I'm using. It's called Invisible Glass by Stoner. You can get it in a spray bottle like the one I have, or you can get in a spray can if you prefer to have it in that format. Either way, it works very well, and they promise you that there's going to be no streaking whatsoever. So when you're washing your windshield or washing your glass, you want to make sure it doesn't leave those water spots, because once it dries off, it's going to leave all these water spots. It just looks nasty and doesn't really help you with your vision, especially during nighttime. So we are going to be using the invisible glass and showing you how it works. I'll be giving you a demo on one side of the glass. As you can see, my car currently is very dirty. You can see all these water spots, just a lot of gunk going on. So we're going to be demoing you how this whole invisible glass works, and it works like magic. And the best thing about it is only $3.50 or something like that. So it's very, very, very cheap. You can pick it up at any of your local stores, or you can pick it up one from Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want to see it. But aside from that, it works like a charm, and I highly recommend it. So let's go, and I'm going to showcase you how the demo works. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and demo. Again, we're using this invisible glass product. I'm going to spray evenly on the entire door. So let's go ahead and do that. And we're going to let it sit for like maybe 5-10 seconds. And then you're going to need to grab a microfiber towel just so you make sure you're not scratching your glass. And you're going to be going in circular motion. Just like that. Circular motion ensures that there's no streaking left and gives you the better finish. Okay, we're going to be doing the same thing on the outside as well. I'm going to grab the spray it nice and even, and once that's done, take my trusty cloth and just kind of go in circular motions. Well guys, like you saw, it was very easy to use. The demo works out perfectly. It's a very easy to use cleaner, and the results are pretty much guaranteed. You don't have to really know how to clean it. All I recommend, like I said in the video, that just make sure you go in circular motions so you're not leaving any streaks, even though they do claim that streak free is guaranteed. I just like to take one extra step to make sure I'm really following it to the T and just doing what I can to ensure there's no streaking and there's no water spots left after I've cleaned it off. So if you guys enjoyed this video and you want to check out the product, the link is in the description. Make sure you smash that like button if you enjoyed this video. And comment below what do you guys personally use to clean your windshield or glass on your car. And as always, subscribe to Red 50 for future videos.